The vibe is on another level.
Exactly.
Yeah, somewhere come on.
Okay.
No giving up! We going up! We going up!
Waterfall around Erin Ijesa community.
Yeah,
in Osun State,
Nigeria, West
Nigeria.
Africa. Yeah. Olumiri Waterfalls, also known as Erin Ijesa Waterfalls. The Erin Ijesa is the name of the community. That's Erin Ijesa, located here in Osun State, Nigeria, Africa. Welcome to the 7 layers of waterfalls in Osun State.
Gentlemen, welcome to the waterfall.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Happy New Year in advance. Welcome to Civic TV, your home of infotainment. So, I was trying to review, the best places that I've visited in 2023. I was just doing a recap or a reminisce. Which places have I visited and where did I enjoy most? And it actually dawned on me that the best place that I ever visited in 2023 that actually turned out to be, quite amazing is Erin Ijesa Waterfall in Osun State, Nigeria. And, I thought, yes, I had shared this, a snippet of this before, but probably a majority of you did not see it because it is a while ago. So I decided, since this happens to be the place that I enjoyed most, since this happens to be the trip or the road trip that I enjoyed most, why can't I share it with you guys? Why can't I give you, an opportunity to tour Erin Ijesa with me, such that I get to tell you about Erin Ijesa as we move along. So Erin Ijesa Waterfall is also known as Olumiri Waterfall, and it's a natural wonder that is located in a town called Erin Ijesa in Osun State. So basically the waterfall has picked the name of the waterfall has picked the name of the small town. One thing that is notable is that you saw the gate that introduced the video. So from the gate to the waterfall itself is quite a distance, and that is where we are heading. So we are here together. So it's quite a distance. So that is the main gate. But then as you go in, it's quite a distance. So where is Erin Ijesa located? You may be asking yourself. So it's actually located in the southwestern part of Nigeria. That small town is of course called Erin Ijesa, and it's near a town called Ijesa. It's about 40 kilometers from Ijesa and 90 kilometers from Osogbo, which is the capital city of Osun State. I think there is a video I did post about Osogbo. So if you guys have been following me keenly, you definitely checked out that video that I posted regarding Osogbo city. So you realize that this waterfall is actually, it was created at points in the rocky hillside. As you can see the hillside, you can see the hillside the way it is. So the waterfall was actually formed from water flowing from 7 different points of the rocky hillside. That is why they say that there are 7 waterfalls existing in this particular area. So these waterfalls form 7 tiers or levels, each offering a unique and a picturesque view. So every time you get there, you'll find the first level, then you'll again climb up to the second level, climb up to the third level, till the 7th level, till you get to see all that. So this particular place also offers very scenic beauty, and we are about to witness that. So I don't want to preempt everything. I'm just preparing you as we go in. So it's a very nice place, and to reach the topmost of the waterfall, visitors tend to hike. So it's a hike that you're actually going to take right now. So we'll take a hike. through the a beautiful greenery that is here, the rocky outcrops, the sight and the sound of the cascading water. We'll take a hike and you guys will experience the whole thing. So I can't wait. And there we are at the gate. So yeah, let's go in and witness the whole thing, you know. Let's go in and witness the whole thing and see what does it have for us, you know. So let's go in and check it out. So that's how the place looks. Pretty beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful. I do hope that we are going to enjoy this. So join me and let's enjoy it as our last video of 2023. So this is our last video of the year as we begin the new year. So I do hope that you guys will enjoy this. And what you're seeing right there is the reception. Let me call it the reception. That is where we're making the payments. These guys asked me to pay for the camera besides paying for myself. So yeah, it is what it is, you know. It's Nigeria, man. So what do? I just have to honor what the people are saying. So let's go in and experience the awesomeness that we can see from a distance, right? Are you ready? Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Happy New Year in advance. Let's go.
Hello guys, coming to you live from, what is the name of this? Olumirin Waterfall. That's the name right there. So here we are. We've had a bit of difficulties getting in. These guys couldn't allow me to come in with my camera, but of course, man, I love my camera. Quality content always, guys. So we've had a few issues here and there. Eventually we've solved. I've had to pay, you know. Yeah, I've had to pay some money to be allowed to come in with my camera. Eventually here we are. So we set to now check out the place, man. Check the background right there. Check the background up there, man. Pretty nice, huh? Pretty nice, right? Yeah, man. So that's what we're about to witness. So stay with me. Let's tour the falls, Olumian Falls, man. And I'm armed to the tooth, man. You can check it out. Have my slippers on, man. I don't want water to mess me up. So we ready? On raid? Yeah, man. Let's get to enjoy this excursion. It's a good excursion. Let's get to enjoy it. So that is the entrance. That's how the area looks like. You can see it's very hilly. Pretty nice. A good landscape. Somebody's playing music, so I love to mute a bit to be safe, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've had to mute a lot right there. There's a lot of fun going down, but I've had to mute because there's some lady that had a big radio. She was playing very cool music, but you know one thing with music and YouTube, there is a copyright strike instantly. So I don't want issues with copyright, you know. I don't want issues with copyright. So I've had to mute and just tell you a story, right? So Erin Ijesa Waterfall is a popular tourist destination in Nigeria, whereby you get that it attracts both local and international visitors that are seeking relaxation, adventure, and the natural beauty. It's a very nice, relaxing environment, you know. I mean, just the feeling of hearing the water pour down, you know, from the falls and all. That alone is just, it gives you some very nice feeling. So a lot of visitors often engage in these picnics, photography, swimming in the pools found by the waterfalls, you know, and basically just enjoying the peaceful ambience. The ambience is really good, and yeah, a lot of people come to just enjoy that. So as you can see, I'm trying to dance right there. The music is really good, but man, copyright. Hey, that is the biggest challenge that we have. What else are we bound to get here? There's a thing to do with local culture. Actually, you realize that sometimes you get people around, they come around to drum, play drums and sell their, commodities that they have to the people, to the tourists that are coming to visit this area. So basically you get to interact with the locals and you get a chance to learn about their local culture, and such like things. So I guess in this visit as well, we are bound to interact with the locals and learn a bit of their traditions and their way of life, so that we also get to know a thing or two about what they do. Another thing that we'll actually find out is that there are a lot of efforts that have been made to develop infrastructure and facilities around the waterfall to ensure that it gets to accommodate tourists, including pathways, because unless they put in place a pathway, how else will you know the way to pass to get to the 7 waterfalls? So a lot of efforts have actually been put in place to ensure that the tourists actually accommodated well as far as the pathways are concerned. We have changing rooms, because the moment you swim your clothes are wet. What else do you do? So changing rooms are put in place, and we have a place where you can actually buy souvenirs, a place where you can actually sell access refreshments and all that. So basically a lot is being done, and let's interact with this drama guy right here.
It's also known as what?
How many states? You know Waterfall?
This is Olumiri Waterfalls down Erin Ijesa State, Osun State.
Monster is not
Nation,
walking.
Nigeria.
Waterfall around Erin Ijesa community. In Osun State,
Nigeria, West Africa. Yeah. Olumiri Waterfalls, also known as Erin Ijesa Waterfalls. The Erin Ijesa is the name of the community. That's Erin Ijesa, located here in Osun State, Nigeria, Africa. Welcome to the 7 layers of waterfalls in Osun State, Erin Ijesa.
Waterfall, also known as Olumiri Waterfall.
And there we go, guys.
Yeah. Onílò ní jẹ́ ẹni tí a bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ọmọ wa ṣe oríṣẹ́. I love this.
Hey.
Kàlẹ́ léyìí. Wúlò bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe fídíò.
A ṣe fídíò náà. Wow.
A ṣe fídíò.
So we have a very, very cool tourist garden right here. Remember we talked about changing rooms, pathways and all that as part of what the Nigerian government is doing towards tourism development. So this tourist garden actually offers all that. So the changing rooms, can I call it conference facility really? But it's a place you can actually have a meeting here. It has very nice sitting areas as well. So I'm just the camera is just focusing on the team members that I was working with, but let me just take you let me walk with you towards the tourist garden so that I can show you what else is there. So besides those small cubicles, if I can call them so, or gazebos for that matter, you can actually use them as changing rooms. There are washrooms here as well, and then you can have them as chill spots as well. So it's a good thing that the government has done to develop the area for tourists. So it's really nice. So before the end of the video, I'll definitely take you around, show you how these places look like, and let's just see the amenities around the area. So in the meantime, let's just walk ahead and see what else is in store as far as this trip of ours is concerned. So let's keep going, guys. Don't tire, stay with me.
Guys, check the view, check the view, check the view. The landscape is amazing right there, guys. The landscape is amazing right there, guys. Check it out, check it out, check it out, man. This place is amazing, man. It's hilly, it's all hilly, guys. So check out that. It's pretty nice. It's amazing, man. Fine thing.
I beg you.
What?
Cameraman.
Oh.
I let me see OJ. Especially Waterfall. I'm a musician. I sing. Especially Waterfall in the shop.
Sing now.
It's plenty. Oh, Waterfall. It's plenty. How much I want to spend? Cause not my business. Cause not my business. But look at the former. Cause not laughing jail. If I'm my business.
Yeah.
If I'm my business. If I'm moving jail, so I'm moving jail. Okay, take care.
Wow. Nice. Yeah. Back to the view, guys. Back to the view, guys. Very nice. Very nice.
I was feeling tired.
Okay.
I share video.
This is just the beginning.
So where are we?
We are at Olumiri Waterfall, Ijesa, Osun State, Nigeria.
We are getting closer, guys.
Yeah.
We are going to see 7 waterfalls, right?
Yeah,
It's a must. You are saying the
7.
What's it,
7 waterfalls.
Can you climb?
I am ready, man. Born ready. 7 waterfalls. Guys. Ah, man.
Your phone, Morigo, come here.
Here we go, guys, and there is the freaking entrance to the falls.
Yeah, it is background.
Oh boy. Guys, welcome to awesomeness. Awesomeness. Welcome to awesomeness right through Civic TV, guys. It's brought to you courtesy of Civic TV, your home of infotainment. So we're going up, we're going to see 7 waterfalls. Stay with me, guys. We're taking those steps, we're going up, and I'll make sure that you guys enjoy. So let's go! Damn, those views. Here we go, guys. Welcome to fall number what? Fall number 1, guys. You can see it as a distance right there. I don't want to zoom, I just want us to get there, man. Woo! There we go. Very nice, man. Can't hold but zoom right away, man. Breathtaking sceneries, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, let me just tell you the good sceneries, man. In we go. In we go. Ladies and gentlemen, our hala just started. First waterfall, off we go to the next one. Remember, we are visiting 7. I don't know if we'll manage to get to the top. Just check the height, man. See where we're coming from? And then that is where we're going to for the second waterfall. I don't know if we'll make it there, but let's keep trying, guys. Let's go and test our strength, right? Let's go test our strength. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. We're taking all those steps down. Ah, man. It's not easy. But we keep trying. We keep going up to the second waterfall. We're visiting 7. 6 more to go, man. It's not an easy road, but we gotta do it. We gotta be creative, guys. Subscribe to Savik TV. Your home of infotainment, right? Check that out, guys. Check that out, guys. Waterfall number 2. I promised you 7. I don't know whether we'll make it to 7, guys. That is the second waterfall. You can see how water is going down, guys. So let's get closer. Let's get closer. You know, we're going all that way. You can see guys coming up. So we're going all that road, guys. We're going down that far to be able to clearly see the second waterfall. So I don't know whether I'll make it down there, guys. It's a very slopey kind of place. But you know what? We gotta go. Savik got you, guys. Let's go. Guys, it's a real struggle going down. It's a real struggle. But guys are trying. And they're making it. They're making it. It's a real struggle going down. But you can see guys having fun over there, guys. They are enjoying. So we're going in to enjoy with them as well. We might have difficulties going down, but eventually we'll get there. So let's go. Guys, see where we've come from to access the second waterfall. It's not easy, man.
Oh, no,
we've come all through that. Oh, man. This is the second waterfall. And we have 5 more to go after this. I don't know whether we'll make it. It's a challenge, guys. If we make it, good. If we don't, man, the far we'll go, that's it. Check it out, guys. Check it out, guys. Whew. Is it not amazing, guys? Is it not freaking amazing? Just check that out. Let me bring you closer. Let me take you back up, guys. Woo! Is it not amazing? Is it not amazing? Enjoy the vibe! Enjoy the vibe! Guys, I'm sorry. I just cussed, but I'm enjoying the vibe right here, man. Woo! Damn. Woo! Yeah. Yo! Having few live guys from the center of water, right? Waterfall number 2 right there, guys. See people having fun, all enjoying, we're all vibing. Yeah, man, I hope that you're enjoying the trip. I hope that you're enjoying the tour guys with me. So, keep it having a form of infotainment. We always like the best of sites, the best of picnic sites, and the best of everything, guys. Yo!
No giving up! We're going up! We're going up!
Yeah, man, we're done with the fun at the second waterfall, guys. We're done with the fun at the second waterfall. It's now time to move. It's now time to move to. Let's see if we can make to the third waterfall, guys. It's not easy. It's not easy. Let's see if we can make to the third waterfall. It's way higher than this, so let's see if we can make it. If we make it there, good. If we don't, man, at least you enjoy the second one. So yeah, man, I appreciate that you've stayed with me. Let's go to the third one. That's where we come from. We're heading to those areas up there, guys. Let's do the third waterfall, just watching without taking photos, and then we go.
I promised you guys a very amazing view, and I guess I have delivered, haven't I? Yeah, so that is the second waterfall. Remember, we have 7. So I was trying to talk to my team, you know, can we do more? But they were like, no, we can't do more because we've somewhere else to go to. It was a trip that we had planned to go to other places as well. So definitely because of time as a key factor, you know, we had to call it a day and move to the next place.
Did you enjoy it? How did it go with you?
Oh, it's a wonderful moment. I really enjoy myself here. No. Ijesa Waterfall in Osun State is one in kind. I really enjoy myself. I really enjoy the.
Do you want to come back next time?
I would love to come back here because time didn't permit us to reach the 7 waterfall. But I really enjoy myself. The wonderful moments.
So we'll come back next time.
We will back.
And obviously get to number 7.
I really want to be here back. Seriously, it's a nice moment. I really enjoy myself.
That's a nice one.
Thank you.
And there goes the small town of Erin, Ijesa. So the economy of this small town is actually run by this particular waterfall. They visit a lot of tourists actually visit, and you know, whenever they visit this the town actually gets to, you know, the people in the town of course sell a lot of things to these tourists, be it ranging from the slippers, the water, the food, you know. There's a lot of a lot of money gets into the economy of Erin Ijesa town from this particular tourist attraction site alone. So there's a lot of gain that the community gets from this particular area. That is why the community also has to take part. I believe the community takes part in the conservation efforts of this place to ensure that it keeps lasting, and it lasts, you know, for as long as it can be, for business to keep coming. So let's check out the tourist garden again once more.
really had fun, guys. And here we are, going back to where we came from, and this man invited us in. He made a lot of drums, drum rolls everywhere when we were coming in. So I guess he's doing the same as we leave now. So guys, it has been amazing. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. I hope that you've enjoyed it.
That's why he's here. Oh, you're fine. Now he's there.
Guys, when we began the video here, you saw a lot of water here, waterfalls and all. But you see right now nothing is happening, so it means the water is late to come out at some point. When they're done with it, when they're tired, they let it rest. So currently there are no falls or whatever. Like there is no water fountain right here as it was when we started. So if you watched the previous episode, please go back and check out the fountain that we saw when we were beginning this series of the falls. Yeah man, it has been amazing. It has been amazing. We've enjoyed, we've had fun. Now off we go to another destination. See you when you see us in the next video. Guys, when we got to this point, we were told no going in with a camera. We had to pay something, as I told you when we started. Currently, yeah, you don't get in for free, but it's a nice place. Entrance is 1K, but if you are using a camera, you have to pay 2K extra for camera. That's it, guys. So welcome next time, guys, and be sure to visit Olumirin Waterfall, and you'll definitely enjoy the trip. Right? Yeah man, and there we are, just about to bid farewell to the place. What? Yeah, and there we are, guys, bidding farewell. So that has been our destination for Hawaii. That's how the place looks, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to wish you a happy new year and thank you for supporting Savik throughout 2023. See you again in 2024 as we'll be dropping more and more videos, more and more bangers, and I do hope that we'll have grown the community further to even 10,000 subscribers. Thank you for 5K. See you. Bye bye. Happy New Year.